commerce honors, botany honors, zoology honors started in this college particularly. Then this is the first college, I think, in a government college to start MCom, postgraduate in commerce. So my life all through 30 years more or more than that I have spent particularly in this area, Baripada. My first tenure as a lecturer in this college started in 1977 and I continued up to 1989. Then for a short time I have been transferred to FM college. Then again I was reposted as the Deputy Secretary North Zone Baripada in 91. And there I continued for 8 years, during which period there are 220 colleges under my jurisdiction. And this office, council office, what you are seeing now, when I joined there was only one junior clerk and one peon. But I tried my best to give a full section to this office and I was successful. With senior assistants, junior assistants, typists, peon, everybody is there. And my first work there is to see that all work related to the four districts, Mayurbhanj, Balesar, Bhadrak and Keonjhar, that those work will be done here. There was much opposition from districts like Balesar and Bhadrak not to cooperate with the work to be done here, but ultimately I was successful and all work related to plus 2 colleges was being done here in North Zone office. And you are getting the benefit of getting the migration certificate, duplicate mark sheet, registration number and everything here. Otherwise, the students have to travel to Bhubaneswar and they have to wait there in council office for days together and to spend a lot of money, thousands and thousands of rupees. And that problem is no more there, particularly for these students and their parents, because Mayurbhanj, Keonjhar, these are the tribal dominated districts. People are very poor. They cannot go once or twice or thrice to such a distant place and they are being exploited at Bhubaneswar office. That problem is no more there. And for your kind information, during my tenure as a Deputy Secretary, I have, with the help of district administration, able to allot a land for council zonal office. But I left the office as a Deputy Secretary in 1998. And till now, that land is as such what I have done at that time. The patas are there, the plan is there, the money was there, 20 lakhs rupees was allotted at the time for the construction of building. You know, the people of Mayurbhanj are very sober in nature, they never revolt. But if this would have been at Balesar, by this time there would have been the building. But after so many years, it is a matter of sure that the building has not come up. Foundation stone was laid by the then Education Minister, but construction has not begun. So that is the fact of Mayurbhanj district. What the Maharaja has done on that building, we are doing everything. No new construction, but luckily the North-East University, which due to the blessing of the then Chief Minister Dr. Gomango, because in India the educational map, everybody knows there is a place, Baripada, where there is North-East University. There is a blessing of the then Chief Minister Dr. Gomango. But previously, no Chief Minister was daring to start the university due to the rift between Baleshwar and Mayurbhanj, where to start the university. But he has taken a very wise step at the time. Two universities come up, Fakirman University and North-East University. And in educational map, all over India and outside, Baripada is well known. And this university has a very good name all over India. And it is growing like anything. You must have seen, my dear students, what a good site is there. The building is there, administration building and all science department have come up, there is no difficulty. Why I am telling this about my past experience? As a student, what is your responsibility? Your responsibility is to read. Keep the hope of your parents. And for that, what is necessity? You must be very sincere in your study. You must build up in character when you are reading at the college. Character building is very much necessary. You must be very dutiful, duty-bound, and you must be very punctual. You must pay respect to your seniors, your parents, which is lacking nowadays. If you are punctual, you are sincere, and you are dutiful, it is sure you will succeed and your life will be prosperous. Don't waste your time. Don't misutilize time. Time is very vital. The second which you are spending, that is gone from your life. The minute you are spending, your life is certain by that minute or hour or day. So try to utilize the time in the most efficient manner for your future. And if you can utilize that time properly, in a justified manner, you can establish yourself in the society with all your requirement and your personality, morality and everything. Now, we are lacking the morality. We are not sincere. We are not punctual. We are not duty-bound. And that's why the society is running like this. This is the naked truth of the dead. And that is the circumstance. Everybody is doing like that. 99%. We are not responsible to what we are being assigned. We try to avoid everything. Just pass on. A teacher, as a student, as an administrative bureaucrat, whatever it may be, are we doing that work? No. And if this is the situation, what will be the fate of our country, fate of our state, fate of our citizens? So please, my dear students, it is my advice to all of you. Time management is very important. How to utilize the time? Those who are appearing second year, in the month of March 2nd, your exam will start. How far you have completed your course? Whether you have met the revision twice or thrice, are you ready to appear the exam, to get a good percentage of mark, not only first class. Now the percentage is important. 99%, 98%, 99.5%. That is the competition. The world is full of competition. And in this advanced world, for your survival, there is a necessity of to compete with each other, with everything. Don't be a bookworm. Along with the book knowledge, you have to know many things, what is happening where. You must be very much particular and practical with the IT knowledge, computer knowledge. Without computer, you cannot get all this information, what is happening where. For your study, you require particular reference. How will get it? Through internet. Through internet. Go to any internet dhaba. Just pay 10 rupees. You can get the information within no time. But are you utilizing that? No. Because many of our students, particularly in this area, we do not know how to work in internet, how to handle the computer, but that is necessary. My request to the principal, I have already, in the last year also, I have talked to our principal, let us start computer as a course, electronics as a course, but due to lack of the room accommodation, we are not able to study, but that is the necessity of the time. Student, science student or art student or commerce student, they must get the computer education, which is the basic requirement of the time. If you are lack of that knowledge, whenever you go to any good institution, you cannot compete with the students. If you go to Delhi, Sriram College of Commerce, you cannot get a seat because they are cut-off mark, highest cut-off mark, 93 above, imagine, in commerce stream. And their preference is for commerce stream, particularly in Delhi, Bombay, Chennai. Second is science, second is art, third is commerce, third is science. But here the trend is just opposite. First preference is science, second is your arts, third is commerce. But that is not the thing. You study everything through the internet. What is the prospect? In which subject you will get the scope? Don't blindly follow. You must decide. You must think once, twice and thrice when you are going to choose your future course after passing +2. Whether you are a science student, whether you are a commerce student, whether you are an art student. Don't think that because you are an art student, there is no scope. Now art students are getting more scope. If you are reading English honors after passing +2, and you will do computer simultaneously after passing graduation in arts with English honors, you can get very good scope in big companies because they require English-based students. So all streams, they are having importance. So please think in advance before you decide. Decision making is very important, and that you have to decide. And that requires knowledge. And how will you get the knowledge? You have to study. You have to study. You have to go through the internet. Particularly not for other things, but for the knowledge sake. What is the scope? What are the field? What are the institution? How we will get admit there? Everything you must know in advance. So my dear students, it's the time. You have to choose. You have to decide. Nobody will help you. Clear? So please keep the advice. Think once, twice, thrice before you choose your course for the future after passing +2. And be sincere in your study. Don't waste your time. Pay respect to your guardians, teachers. They will bless you and their blessing will count much. God is there to look after you. One who labors hard, he gets the reward ultimately. And you will never be hopeless in life. So it is time. You are all youngsters. You build up your career. Choose your career particularly that in which line you will join and enjoy your life. I don't say that do not enjoy. Student life is the best life. Once you will join in job, there is no life. You must enjoy. But enjoyment not to the maximum extent. That is a part. But the most important is the study. How to build up your career, how to build up your future. Now you are awaiting for the entertainment program which will be followed after this meeting and distribution. So with this advice, again, I am thankful to the principal, superintendent, assistant superintendent, my dear boarders, and my all the dignitaries, my old colleagues, new colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, employees of this hostel, and I pray to God that the boarders will be successful in their life. They will pass out from this hostel with a very good percentage to keep the name of MPC Junior College. Thanking all of you again. ମୁଁ ତ ମୁଁ ବି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଭଳିଆ ଜଣେ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ ମାନେ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ ଥିଲି, ପାଠ ପଢ଼ୁଥିଲି, ଏବେ ଆସିକି ଚାକିରି କରୁଛି। କିନ୍ତୁ ମୋର ଛୋଟବେଳୁ ମୁଁ ରାଉରକେଲାରେ ପଢ଼ିଛି, ମାନେ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ କଲେଜ ରାଉରକେଲାରେ ପଢ଼ିଥିଲି। ତାପରେ NIT ପାସ୍ କରିକି ଆସିଲା ପରେ ଚାକିରି କଲି। କିନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣମାନେ ଯେଉଁ ଭଳିଆ ଏଇଭଳିଆ ଯେଉଁ ପରିସ୍ଥିତିରେ ଏଠି ରହୁଛନ୍ତି, ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ ମାନେ ଏଇଟା ଯେଉଁ ରାଜପ୍ରସାଦ ଆଗରୁ ଥିଲା, ସେମିତିଆ ମୋ ଭାଗ୍ୟରେ ମୁଁ କେବେ ଆଗରୁ ଦେଖିବି ନଥିଲି। ଆପଣମାନେ ବହୁତ ଖୁସି ହେବା କଥା ଯେ ଏମିତିଆ ଜାଗାରେ ଆପଣମାନେ ପଢ଼ିକିରି ଆଉ ମାନେ ଆମେ ତ ଆଗରୁ ରାଜପ୍ରସାଦ ଦେଖିଲେ ବିଜୁଳି ପଶି ପାରୁନଥିଲୁ, ବାହାରେ ଛିଡ଼ା ହେଇକି ଭାବୁଥିଲୁ ଯେ କେମିତିଆ ହେଇଥିବ, ଭିତରେ କ'ଣ ହେଇଥିବ। ଆପଣମାନେ ସେଟାକୁ ଯେହେତୁ ମହାରାଜ ଏଟାକୁ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଆପଣମାନେ ସେଠି ରହିଛନ୍ତି, ଆମର ରକ୍ଷଣାବେକ୍ଷଣ ଦାୟିତ୍ୱରେ ଆମେ ଥିବାରୁ ତାକୁ ଠିକ୍ରେ ରଖିବା କଥା। କିନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କର ଭାଗ୍ୟ ମାନେ ଏତେ ଭଲ ଯେ ଆପଣମାନେ ଏଇଭଳିଆ ଜିନିଷ ଦେଖିକିରି ଏଠି ରହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଭଲ ମଣିଷ ହେଇକିରି ଭଲ ପାଠ ପଢ଼ିକିରି ଯଦି ଆପଣମାନେ ଭବିଷ୍ୟତରେ ମାନେ ଉଚ୍ଚ ଇଏରେ ରହିବେ ତାହେଲେ ମାନେ ବହୁତ ଖୁସି ଲାଗିବ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ। ଯେଉଁମାନେ ପଢ଼ୁଛନ୍ତି କି ହଷ୍ଟେଲ ସୁପରିଟେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ କି ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପାଲ ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ, ଯିଏ ବି ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ, ଆପଣଙ୍କର କଥା ସବୁ ମାନେ ଇଏ କରିବେ। ଆଉ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏଇଠି ଯେଉଁ ପାଠ ପଢ଼ୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ମାନେ ଯାହା ବି ଅସୁବିଧା ଅଛି ମୋତେ ଘଡ଼େଇ ସାରିକି ମଝିରେ ଯାଇକି ତାର ବିଷୟରେ ସବୁ କହନ୍ତି ଆଉ ତାକୁ ସବୁ ବି ମୁଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରେ କରିବା ପାଇଁ। କିନ୍ତୁ ଯେତିକି ମୁଁ କରିଛି ସେ ଯେଉଁ ସାର୍ କହିଲେ ସେଇଟା ମୋତେ ବହୁତ ଦୁଃଖ ଲାଗୁଛି। ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଏତେ ଜିନିଷ କିଛି କରିପାରିନି, ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରୁଛି କରିବା ପାଇଁ। ଆଉ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ ବର୍ଷା ଦିନେ ଯେଉଁ ପାଣି ଗଳୁଛି ସେଟାକୁ ସିଏ ବହୁତ ଥର କହିଛନ୍ତି ବି, ସେଟାକୁ ଯେମିତି ହେଲେ ମୁଁ ଏଟାକୁ ସାରିବି, ସେତିକି ପ୍ରତିଶ୍ରୁତି ଦେଇକି ମୋର
ପ୍ରଦାନ କରିବୁ। ଆମର ମୁଖ୍ୟ ଅତିଥି ମହୋଦୟ ତାଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରଦାନ କରିବେ। ବାକି ସମସ୍ତ ପ୍ରାଇଜ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ା ଯେଉଁଟା ରହିଲା ନେକ୍ସଟ ଆନୁଆଲ ଡିନର ଦିନ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ କରାଯିବ। ଗ୍ରହଣ କରିବ। ଇଂଲିଶ ଆସେ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ପଙ୍କଜ କୁମାର ସାମଲ, +2 ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଇୟର ସାଇନ୍ସ। प्रतीक महांती, +2 सेकेंड ईयर साइंस। ओडिया से थर्ड प्रतीक महांती, +2 सेकेंड ईयर साइंस। सेकेंड
एडी चाहिए
सेकेंड ईयर साइंस। फास्ट अंबिका शंकर दास। हिंदी एसे फास्ट अंबिका शंकर दास, +2 सेकेंड ईयर साइंस। सेकेंड ओंकार नाथ गिरी। थर्ड शुभम दत्त, +2 सेकेंड ईयर साइंस। शुभम दत्त। इंग्लिश डिबेट फास्ट दुखहरण पात्र, +2 सेकेंड ईयर साइंस। थर्ड जितराय सोरेन, +2 सेकेंड ईयर साइंस। उड़िया डिबेट फास्ट पंकज कुमार सामल, +2 सेकेंड ईयर साइंस। सेकेंड दुखहरण पात्र, +2 सेकेंड ईयर आर्ट्स। थर्ड सरदार सिंह टुडू, +2 सेकेंड ईयर साइंस।
सरदार सिंह
हिंदी डिबेट फास्ट पंकज कुमार सामल। सेकेंड ओंकार नाथ गिरी, +2 सेकेंड ईयर साइंस। थर्ड दुखहरण पात्र, +2 सेकेंड ईयर आर्ट्स। जेंडर जनरल नॉलेज फर्स्ट शुभम गिरी +2 फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकंड संतोष कुमार पात्र +2 फर्स्ट ईयर, थर्ड चिन्मय कुमार महाला
संतोष
+2 फर्स्ट ईयर।
धरिकी छिड़ाओ एडे एडे एडे
सॉन्ग कंपटीशन फर्स्ट
एडे 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 छिड़ा है
सॉन्ग कंपटीशन
एमपीसी कनिष्ठ महाविद्यालय बालक छात्रावास तार तृतीय वार्षिक महोत्सव पालन करुछि। एही अवसर रे आजिर ए सांध्यकालीन सभारे सभापतित्व करुथिबा एमपीसी कनिष्ठ महाविद्यालय अध्यक्ष महोदय आजिर यही सभार मुख्य अतिथि मुख्य आकर्षक इंजीनियर तपन गणनायक जी महोदय, आम गहणरू यही अल्प किछि दिन तले विरति नहीं चाकिरी अवसर ग्रहण करथिबा महान व्यक्तित्व प्रोफेसर आशुतोष साहू महोदय, मोर बंधु तथा ये हॉस्टेल तत्वावधारक श्री हेमंत कुमार गणेश, स्नेहर सरदार सिंह, आम गहण को आमर अनुरोध रक्षा करी एठारे आमको उत्साहित करने आसीथिबा मोर समस्त सहकर्मी वृंद, पूर्वतन तत्वावधारक जे कि दीर्घ 14 वर्ष काल अनुष्ठान को सुचारू रूपे तुलाई आसते कार्यभार तुलाई आसते प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर सुशांत कुमार बसा सर, गणपाल सर, सुशांत सर, पति सर, टुडू बाबू, उपस्थित समस्त सज्जन एवं भद्र महिला मान, यही हॉस्टेल का विभिन्न दायित्व रखिबा कर्मचारी गण यथा गणपाट बाबू, उपेंद्र बाबू, शिशिर बाबू एवं सर्वंते मोर प्रिय अंतेवासी गण, यही हॉस्टेल दायित्व आमर अध्यक्ष महोदय मते ग्रहण करने को बाध्य करथिले। मु आसिबा पर ठारू अहरह गोटे युद्धकालीन भितरे केमिति जराजीर्ण अवस्था उद्धार करिहेब सफा चिकन करिहेब परिवेश टी ध्यान देइथिली। पूर्ण सहयोग करिथिबारु आज यही सभारे मु एही अनुष्ठान तरफ अंतेवासी मान तरफ हार्दिक धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करुछि। प्रिंसिपल महोदय तांकर बहुमूल्य समय दे एठांकु पिला माननकु एठारे आसी पिला माननकु समुचित सदुपदेश देइथिबारु मु समान तांको प्रति मध्य विशेष कृतज्ञ और हार्दिक धन्यवाद अर्पण करुछि। सर्वोपरि घड़ई से जो प्रकार काम हाथ को नहीं धुरंधर भाव कर चलती एवं बहुत कठोरता पूर्वक अनुशासन को मध्य बजाय रखिछन्ति एठारे सेथिपई तांको धन्य देवा आवश्यक एवं धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करुछि। आशु सर को तो की भाषा रे धन्यवाद देवी
गोटे बेटे
शब्द पाऊना कारण से प्रथम रु जतबेले हॉस्टेल टी को हाथ को नेया गला सेतबेले ठारू संपूर्ण सहयोग आमको दे आछन्ति एवं आज मध्य आमर आमंत्रण रक्षा करी आम पाखे उपस्थित होइथिबारु मो छात्रावास तरफ मो निज तरफ मो बंधु घड़ईसार तरफ हार्दिक धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करुछि एवं समस्त सुधीजन वृंद मोर सहकर्मी गण समस्ते ठंडा काकर खाई आसी एठारे आमको उत्साहित करैथिबारु तांको प्रति मध्य हार्दिक धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करुछि। एई सभा सेतबेले पर्यंत संभव होई नथांता जेतबेले पर्यंत एठार कर्मचारी निरवच्छिन्न भावे अहरह परिश्रम उद्यम न करन्ते तेणु तांको मध्य मु हार्दिक धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करुछि एवं अंतेवासी स्नेहर अंतेवासी मानक मध्य धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करुछि जे सेमाने पूर्ण तत्परतार सह एई सभा कार्यटी को तुलैबारे परिश्रम करिसेंति तेणु सेमान मध्य धन्यवाद पात्र। समय बहुत स्वल्प तेणु आउ अधिक समय नेबा मो पक्षरे बोधे लाभ हम ना तेणु वर्तमान किसी समय एंटरटेनमेंट हम कारण पुलिस परमिशन आमको से जावत मिली ना तेणु समस्त को पुणी थे हार्दिक हार्दिक धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करी मो वक्तव्य विरक्ति नेउछि। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
बर्तमान सभार सभापति तथा कॉलेज अध्यक्ष महोदय को अनुरोध करी से हमारा